This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Susan Golay. Exceptionally nice, well cared for home, open floor plan, wood fireplace, mini split, eat-in kitchen, 3-bed 2-bath plus office, mostly fenced yard, covered porch, lovely gardens. West fruit trees provide privacy. Extra large lot 50 by 100, warm upriver climate, sprinklers, water filters, quiet family friendly park, move-in ready, garden shed, room for carport and RV parking. Buyer must be approved by the park. Owner occupied. Do not disturb, appointment only, space rent subject to increase by park. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Golay at 541-247-6612.